India has seen the deadliest day of the pandemic with 1,501 deaths and the biggest daily surge of 2,61,500 infections today. Maharashtra and Delhi recorded their biggest ever single-day surge in COVID-19, with Delhi reporting over 25,462 cases and 161 deaths, and Maharashtra logging over 68,631 infections and 503 fatalities. The Delhi government will likely extend the weekend lockdown as the national capital has been reporting a record surge in daily coronavirus cases. Sources say that decision is expected to be announced after a meeting between the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal over the COVID situation on Monday morning.
The second wave turning worse. India recording its highest ever cases and highest daily deaths in the last 24 hours. The fourth consecutive day of India recording over 2 lakh cases. Daily cases jumped by almost 27,000 in the last 24 hours. This is the highest single day increase in cases. Daily deaths have increased by over 500% in just 1 month, from 172 a month ago to over 1,000 now. In the national capital, which recorded over 25,000 cases today, streets deserted due to the weekend curfew. But outside hospitals, a constant stream of ambulances and relatives waiting. 25-year-old Mohammad Arib lost his 60-year-old mother Saira as he ran from one hospital to another for a bed.
बहुत दिक्कत हुई, बहुत ज़्यादा। मतलब इमरजेंसी में जाके ना कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ। प्राइवेट में बैठ नहीं थे और सरकार ने गवर्नमेंट ने ये कह रखा है कि सरकारी हॉस्पिटल में जो है बेड्स अवेलेबल हैं, लेकिन जा तो कुछ होता नहीं है। इमरजेंसी में 3 घंटे लग गए तो पेशेंट कहाँ तक स्टेबल होगी उसकी तबीयत।
Others cannot get oxygen, like 22-year-old Shubh, whose grandmother had to be admitted to LNJP hospital.
Oxygen concentrator, forget about rent, we are not able to buy also. There's, in Daryaganj, there are a whole lot of surgical shops. They are out of shortage. They are saying that the oxygen concentrators are imported. So they have no stocks. It is coming from China or America. So at least they are saying to wait for 2 to 3 weeks.
Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal today wrote to the Prime Minister asking for more beds and oxygen. 99% of Delhi's ICU beds with ventilators and 98% of Delhi's ICU beds without ventilators were occupied by afternoon.
अभी पूरे दिल्ली का अगर जायजा लिया जाए तो जो कोरोना के लिए बेड रिजर्व हैं वो बेड काफ़ी तेज़ी से ख़त्म होते जा रहे हैं। ऑक्सीजन की भी काफ़ी कमी है। ये हम लगातार केंद्र सरकार के संपर्क में भी हैं, उनसे भी मदद मांग रहे हैं, उनसे मदद मिल रही है।
This led the Delhi government to issue orders that all private hospitals and nursing homes would reserve 80% of their ICU beds and regular beds for COVID-19 patients.
More than a year of the pandemic, and yet India was not prepared for this. From basic hospital resources like ventilator beds to medical oxygen, India is struggling on every front. The government is promising that it is ramping up resources, but it will have to catch up very fast. In New Delhi with camera person Sushil Rathi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.